there, welcome to my channel and welcome to a Natalie Attired unboxing and try on. I am so excited to see what my stylist from Natalie Attired has sent me in this box. Hey, if you're new to my channel, I just want to welcome you. I sure hope that you will subscribe, come back, join me for another video. Returning subscribers, hi y'all, it's good to see you. So Natalie Attired is one of my favorite style boxes. It's like all the other style boxes and that you go online, go to their website, fill out a profile, you're paired with a stylist who then puts together a box. I receive my Natalie Attired boxes every month. My stylist puts together a box with 5 pieces. I have 3 days to try it on, $20 styling fee, and that fee goes towards anything that I keep in this box. I have a referral code if you want to try Natalie Attired for your first time. It's in the description box below, as well as all of the information. In a nutshell, that's Natalie Attired. So I've got 5 pieces to check out in this box. Let's look at it. So this is the inside of the box. It's always packaged so beautifully. On the top of the bundle is a personalized note from my stylist. She says, "Hi Kelly, I hope you love the collection I chose for you. I pulled 2 pieces from the Electra Dress that I think you will love. I also had the red pants from your last collection in your size and chose a couple of cute tops to go with it. Enjoy, from Annie." In my last Natalie Attired box, I did purchase the beautiful Electra dress. It is perhaps one of the prettiest dresses that I now own, so I'm really excited that she sent more pieces from that label. So, okay, I have an invoice. I'm not gonna look at the individual prices, but the total of this box is $358. So $358 is pretty expensive, but the good news is with Natalie Attired, they just rolled out new discounts, and if I keep 3 pieces, I can get 20% off, but if I can keep everything, I will get 30% off. So fingers crossed, we need a 5 for 5 with this box. Okay, here is the bundle. Oh my goodness, I love these colors. Oh wow, okay. On the top of the bundle is a mailer, and anything that doesn't work or even exchanges, I will just put in this envelope and drop it off at the post office, and the postage is free with Natalie Attired. Okay, the first dress, this is one of the Electra dresses. This is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, you see those? That's a V-neck. It's got the cloth covered buttons there. There does appear to be a tie. I don't know if that's elastic. Let me see. No, it doesn't appear to be elastic. And it has an interesting detail on the back, this shawl-like. I believe that's in the back. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It is fully lined. It is a maxi dress. I love this already. This is so pretty. It appears, it has the feeling of cotton, which is such an easy wear fabric for the climate that I live in. So, oh my gosh, I love this one already. Would you look at these colors? Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This again is the Electra Lang. This is in white and a bright yellow. This appears to be a tunic, and it's got the split neck, and it does have a detail like a band on the sleeve. It also has a detail in the back, and there appears to be a pleat detail in the front. Ooh, I love this. Again, this is a cotton fabric, so really easy to wear where I live. Next up is a tee, and this is by the brand Ginger G. That's my mama's name. My mother's name is Ginger, so I will probably just keep this blouse because of that. So this is kind of a cream colored, a heather cream color with a red stripe. It is a short sleeve blouse. Oh, we do have the little tie, twist tie detail in the front, and I don't know, rounded hemline? Okay, that one looks good. Next is by the brand April USA, and this is a striped floral, and it does have a 3/4 sleeve with a tie on it and a rounded hemline. There's a keyhole in the back with a little button there. So yeah, this one looks okay. This one is not my favorite. I like everything else much better than this, but this is very pretty. Okay, now it's coming back to me. In my last Natalie Attired box, they did send me these red denim and they were far too small for me. I mean, it was an accident. I think they just put a smaller, much smaller size in the box. I couldn't even share them with you. So they did send the red denim and these are in my size and I am so fluffy right now. I remember that these were a really good price though. So let's try everything on and see what we think. I've tried everything on and I have to say, first off, I think Annie, my stylist, did a fabulous job selecting styles that I really, really like. But that being said, this is on me. I have put on weight and I have not adjusted my sizes. So I have some fit issues with this box. And I'm not even sure that I want to exchange anything because I don't know if I will be smaller a month from now, if I'll be able to wear the pieces that are too tight. So I'm really kind of bummed about that. But I will tell you, in January, I tried on a pair of red pants. And when I saw myself on camera, it spurred me to start watching my diet. And I really hope that these red pants can do the same. These red pants, who is the brand? Velvet and Heart. These are only $55. And I put them on and they actually feel really nice. But I heard another YouTuber call that elephant leg, and that's what it looks like. There are so much pulling through the legs that I looked like a stuffed sausage, and it is not a becoming look. I am not going to purchase these. These are in my true size. If I size up on them, I'll get extra room in the legs, but then the waistband gets so big, and I have this trouble with a lot of colored denim. So $55 for these great red pants that just don't look good on me. I think this is a fabulous color. I really like these. I am bummed out and almost ashamed of myself that this happened, but it did. And so yeah, these are the red pants that I unfortunately have to send back. And maybe these are the red pants that are going to change my summer. Let's see. Next up is the striped floral top. This one is by the brand April. It's $39. I wasn't really crazy about it when I pulled it out of the box, but I kind of like it. This is a black and white striped top, and these tie sleeve tops are kind of growing on me. Now, it came to me very, very wrinkled. So that's a good sign that the top is going to wrinkle while wearing, or that at the very least, it's going to need to be steamed. I did check the fabric on this top. It's polyester. It feels like cotton. I like this top once I put it on. What do you think about the top? I think it pairs so nicely with the red denim, which I do own red denim, so I could probably get that look. Yeah, $39. I'm going to wait for your feedback on this one because I think I kind of like this one. The ginger top? Yeah, I like it. And not just because it's named after my mother. I'm sure they named this after my mother. This is just a really easy wear, very soft t-shirt. And of course, it's got the red stripe in it, which is my favorite color. This is a really nice summer tee. I appreciate that there is extra length. So you could wear it shorter if you wanted, but I can wear it at a longer length. I think this one paired very, very nicely with the red denim. So yeah, I will probably sport that look, but this might also look nice with white denim. I don't know. This one is only $36. They named it after my mama. This one is staying with me. Now let's talk about the Electra Lang pieces that she sent. Now, the tunic. This tunic is $79. It's 100% cotton. I love the bright, fresh print of it. I also like the silhouette of this. This one is $79, and I did think it was a little bit tight in my shoulders. Now, there is a band here to adjust it, but that will not adjust the shoulders. If you look at it, the shoulders fit fine, but it still felt just a bit snug. I don't know. I have to think about this one because it is $79, so that's an investment. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think it pairs so nicely with the white denim. I really appreciate that it is fully lined because I was going to try this on with a tank underneath, and I love that it is not see-through. This one feels like a very nice quality blouse. I'm a little bit concerned about the fit in the shoulders. No, I will have to wait till I edit and see what I think about the fit on this one. Your comments are greatly appreciated on this one as well. And the last piece is the Electra dress, which I absolutely love, but I don't know that it loves me back. I mean, truthfully, I don't know that this is the best look for me. There's so much about this dress I like. I love the colorful, fun print, the cloth-covered buttons on it. I don't know about this draping in the back. It's an interesting detail, but it's still a lot of fabric, a lot going on in the back, and I did feel like the back was very billowy. There was just almost a tent-like look to the dress. That's kind of how I felt in the dress, although I tell you, I felt pretty in the dress. I like the length of the dress as well. This dress could be worn with flat sandals, which is kind of nice in the summertime. This dress is also fully lined. It is 100% cotton. There is so much to like about the dress. When I edit this video, I will certainly have a better idea of how this dress looks. I want to keep this dress. In the summer, I wear dresses 5 or 6 days a week, especially these easy wear cotton dresses. They just wear so well in the summertime. I will take a look at my own video and see what I think about the way this dress looks on me. Again, I am really looking forward to your comments on this dress because there's so much I like about this dress, but I don't want to fool myself, especially at this price point. At $149, I need a dress that fits perfectly. Before I tried everything on, this box was definitely a 5 for 5, and then I tried it on and I have my doubts now. I really look forward to your comments. You guys keep it real and help me to make my decisions. Just because I don't purchase something today doesn't mean that I can't get it at a later date, perhaps if I lose a little bit of weight, but I certainly don't want to fill my closet with clothing that doesn't fit perfectly. I know you understand that. So guys, I can't wait to hear what you have to say. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? I have more clothing to share with you very, very soon. Make sure you're subscribed, tap the bell because I don't want to miss you. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to you.